Start starring. Yeah, look at this.
Welcome, my brother. Welcome to Cayman Island. What's an amazing staff. Them serious, them people laugh. Them professional. See them here?
Them serious, them live a laugh at the staff, you see me? And them get Chris Genius, that's something about God say, you know, be too serious. That bad, you know? You see me? Yeah, Kartel are the best. And look how Chris Genius say some things where go against the Gaza. But Kartel can't forward out and run the place. And a Kartel run the place. Mosquito not start run this yet. Mosquito probably run the place for a little bit. But if not run no well, like Skeng run it, Skilly Bang run it, Kartel run it, all him friend them run it, like Tommy Lee run it. You get me I say? Tommy Lee, yeah. Yeah man, Tommy Lee dust him. Dust the mosquito. Watch you know?
I woke up this morning, was born out in Kingston and leaving Jamaica abroad, not to England.
This is my page, and the first post here you seeing. Look a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Excellent process. Yeah. Don't bag of money. Yard one a foreign. Give him a bird can't team some stay same way like me daddy. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. We advance academically and professionally, extraterrestrially and even medically. Sell we to everybody, take the molly, super fragically, list PSPally, sexually, get the dolly ben reality. In a every alley, genitally make Beverly see. Up I do nally, then be clarin and them off me. No go tell Rivali, anti-valley no mediocrity. Black magic, watch fraud. Get a black puss with a black dog. A mad sus, when mad dog. I de left a bad push with the cash card. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dogs them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Yes, that's right there. You see me? Tough a lie, bad. Yeah, people, VYBZKARTEL landing at the Cayman. You see me? Yo, look on the airport. The place ram. A beer girl and beer man. You get me? I say, from the world boss touchdown like NASA. And the Gaza. Not even speed him hype so. I show speed him like you. Hey, I tell you. Right now, Cayman a blow up in a frenzy, a go up in a yo. So the man private jet the youth, wanna depend. We say Alkaline a try pattern everything. Alkaline go rent one jet, you know. You see me? Look on the Gaza jet. Right now, you know. Right now, VYBZKARTEL You can't say car without Kartel, you know, man. One Vybz Kartel have him own line of vehicle. You see me? Me already have the brand sign with a VK. It would want to look like Volkswagen. Cause you know say Volkswagen have a rich and like diplomatic type. It have that elegant design there. You get me? I say for diplomats, I saw you have a Vybz Kartel car line. Cause you can't say cartel without saying car. You get what me I say? So one Vybz Kartel have the own line of car and for link up with Elon Musk. You wanna put this out there, it's a must. You see me? VK, like VW. You see me? Volkswagen are the strongest car them, the most sophisticated, you know, like Volvo. Yeah, mad rats, man, of them type of line. They're the Vybz Kartel, as I'm telling about, up to the time line. So me I say? Yes, the dog private jet there. We see Alkaline go rent a jet. Cause it look like say the fans them upset for see Kartel a lift up jet and a whole conveyor vehicle when him drop and you get me I say? Yeah man. From him go so boom and touch ground. You see me? Not normal, no. You see me? I tell you, not normal. Watch out, we're gonna take a look into how Cayman are going right now. You see me? I'm glad same go. Despite the world threat and, you know, bag attack from them corrupt politicians, yeah, and them leaders there in a Cayman a try play a stipulation from the Gazanation. You get what I say? Yeah, we no work so. You see me? Our cloth and suit no cut so. You see me? But you don't know Kartel love the people them. See it there? It's another £1 million at that, cause you know Cayman money trang, you know, bumbuckler. Cayman money trang, you fat. I didn't like 80 to $1 them, you know. No, one of them dollar was like 80 to $1. Right. One Cayman dollar was like 80 Jamaican dollar, and we are telling over 20 odd years ago. So how much it reach now? Eh? Cayman money trang. Probably $200 or nearly $200. How much CI them gone? CI. But some British money, some CI money, some money, some Euro money. Hey, we chance our money. Yo, Linstead, we want get $1 billion like Mr. Leachin. Girls woulda call me Mr. Bleaching. All of them blow me like a beach wind. True money like trees in a city church him. Private jet alance I searching. Now a 24 karat gold for each rim. What a life sweet I me never wish him. Listen to the higher reasoning. Yo, man, Django switch and say with a witch, but me nah left shorty a she bring. Never gonna tell her say I am leaving. No, sir, we inseparable. Siamese twin. $1 million me a give her half. Make her bank book swell of his buy a beast thing. Money, pan acquire missing. But life are the greatest thing, yo. Him say, how much is $1 million? 1,000 million. Drop it in a for me and 1,000 million. Frankfurt in and 1,000 million. How much is $1 million? 1,000 million. Have it in a for me and 1,000 million. Frankfurt in and 1,000 million. Yo, Kartel the teacher. Enough people me here is saying at 2013 when the song they land. So them never know say a 1,000 million is $1 billion. You see me? So Gaza teach the nation. Gazanation. Mosquito can't teach the people them nothing. You see me? Mosquito just use back everything we Kartel them say. Mosquito is a recycle artist. You see me? Him take up the things them where every artist say that is profound and intellectually skill and, you know what I mean, them type of bars there. Him take them and recycle, just set them over nicely. That's all him do, but he can't apply nothing new for nobody take and recycle and inspired by it. You get me I say? So we're going at this 1,000 million. You see it, Kartel taught this into being, him sing about it. Private jet alliance kayak reaching and him sing about the CI money. So the man gone for the CI money. Kartel, who are the best? Kartel, the best. Who are the worst? That sound like a Shabba the worst, you know. When Kartel say, I'll do a Alkaline the song chop up for this. When Kartel say, who are the worst? You know, say a Shabba him attack. Cause so Shabba sound. You see me? Hey boy, don't pass your place. Now even up, or you off and puff like you're evil lost. I break your break, but in God we trust. You see me? Yeah man. Trust me when Kartel say, yo, who are the worst? I Shabba him at this when him say Although alkaline him a this and Shabba swear things say alkaline cartel at this, you know. You know, so I see Shabba friend up alkalines and I support him everywhere he go. The people want to know who we are, so we tell them, we are the ranking, never get trampling. Oh, yeah. Anywhere we go, people want to know who we are, so we tell them, hey, Shabba ranking, I get spanking, him I get spanking. Oh, hey. Anywhere him go, in front of him. Yeah, him not have no fame anymore. You see me? The Gazanation, we are the ranking now. Shabba ranking is no more, you see me? What the worst? But just the universe show me that a while ago. Big up to the universe. A Shabba Kartel style subliminally. You see me? But we know say alkaline thing there. It look like Kartel take that part there. But him say, oh, what the worst? Look like him take that out of all Shabba this song. Because the one Dexter Daps about Shabba Mother Pot. Maybe them time there. Kartel did for this Shabba again, you know. Show the boy Dexter Daps. So yeah, say one king. You see me? And the last of the king thing, believe me, there will never be a next king. So Mosquito go sit down because you don't have nothing for apply. You know, special boy. I could go into this. You see them clipping there from the jet to the strip. You get me as the year strip. You see me being accompanied. VYBZKARTEL just simple upon them, a billionaire. You see, same now for in and out bag of blood clot. Eye clothes to wear. You see me I say? Because Cayman that too, you know. I know like Cayman is not known to be violent where a man have to hide him jewelry and hide him richness. No, but VYBZKARTEL a blegged on himself, you know what I mean? For the people in a Cayman, cause it's not a hype thing. And that you don't know, you know, VYBZKARTEL not show off on good people, like the Cayman people. Him show off on the dirty bad mind Jamaican them. Cause Kartel love Trinidad and Tobago too, you know. But never see Kartel is a loving person. Them man they know this. You see like Foota hype, this Trinidad, in this Cayman and them thing there. If you notice, when Foota hype did meet up with Kemar McGregor them and Beanie Man pan for them place the airstrip or must in a Miami. You hear what Foota hype did say people are big foreign this with that. This are no little Cayman and no little because him dunce, them fool. You'll never see Kartel do something like that. Because VYBZKARTEL is fully aware, say him love them people, yeah. So you see a man who really love somebody, you'll never see him make the slightest a mistake. Them weird if you're a small and a try to compare a smaller island like Cayman and Trinidad to America. You know what I mean? Them boy, them not real. Them not mean no good. So see it, Kartel love the people them near, far and wide. You see me? Even island wide. Then? Yeah. So Gazanation. See money there. No, I'm money that. Yeah, man. Big up. And the one Mosquito this money in a autocrat. Now the song autocrat. But send them face got a money. But him in a play thing. Send them go play loady. A be a word one Mosquito throw in a autocrat, you know. No, I'm review it. I not even review it. I don't point out some of the lyrics. I'm be a rubbish him talk because the man all talk about them rotten and stink like Noonie. And Noonie don't stink. A Kartel have the real lyrics them. Kartel tell you about the bad mind them and say them think like cabbage. Because that stink. That is bumbucklad stink. You see me? You know think like cabbage. But him a talk about think like Noonie. Because him is just a rhymer. You get me? I say, Noonie don't stink. We've been a ferment Noonie from me in my teen years. I grew up with Rasta people and Noonie smell good. You see me? It have some people, a few people may think that it smell unpleasant, but it is not as stink because you'd have to have a lot of people considering it stink. And most people who deal with Noonie over the years are Rasta more than anybody else. And the elders them. Young people don't fool around with Noonie. A Mosquito a young bud. Him don't know storm or blood clot. You see me? But you see Melissa, him never know, or if him did know storm, Melissa wouldn't write him song them. You see me? So I could go black in a this Cayman thing. Hold on, what the post say? VYBZKARTEL have arrived officially in Cayman Island. Right? Catch him live for Out of the World tomorrow, May the 30th, right? 2026 at Festival Green Cayman. Cayman Bay, right? If you haven't gotten your tickets yet, get them and get there. Now, we know Chris Genius, I go over there. Chris Genius have the 411 for cover the whole thing. Is me big up to Owen Allen Media, because he has become and was chosen to be the ambassador for the upcoming major event, the cruise, the Vybz Island, all night. How much days a party? Must be 20 days a party. With how much artists, and we're going to show the artists them will get picked up. Big up Owen Allen Media, you see me? He was chosen. Big up Gaza Uncle, big up Brando Music News Review. Although me diss him, because I'm too friendly more while, you get me I say? But even me guilty of being friendly too. Like what do me I look Alkaline Sister and a sweet talker, you see me? So what is Brando guilty of that I am not? Well, if you check the if you use intelligence and break it down, I'm friendly to the artists who are trying to provoke the Gaza. But me, nice to him sister, which is a good move. You get me I say? So different, but yeah, we don't expect everybody to dep on the same level of intelligence so we dep on, you know what I mean? So we have to have a great level of understanding for understand them and see with them and just know say I want team see them we Gaza Brando big up yourself. Although I made this enough time. I lie. Alright, so let's move on. People them love the Gaza bars. Look how Kartel fresh. Alright, watch me I show you. Kartel I go do and say something where you hear all these DJ Kentucky Don Spot and Magnum where them catch a shine man cock. Right? DJ Magnum them catch from video. Zin? Alright, all of them people I talk about, especially DJ Kentucky, I talk about Kartel a clown. Same them clown him, right? C-L-O-N-E, not the clown where work a party for kids. Zin them say Kartel was clone, right? Not C-L-O-N-N, C-L-O-N-E, right? Now, may I show you say that man you not clone one bit. Zin? Because clone can't operate like how them man operate. You see me? And you can't study the teacher. So nobody couldn't clone him. Because it would have obviously malfunction. Which we already get a clone. The best clone is Alkaline. And him still falter. There's so much wrong with him. You see me? It can't be a good second-hand version of VYBZKARTEL. You see me? You have to be the first VYBZKARTEL. You can't be a good upgraded version. You know what I mean? One version. Well, yeah, one version. Watch ya. It's a tape. Foota hyper grape. Deva brata grape. Richie Steve grape. Them say killer him a grape. Him a Vegas in a court case. Tyron in a mess, and him couldn't get a space. Bomber them a waste, and them cannot test the grades. Kartel is the Kartel is the greatest, and them can imitate. Hey, them try imitate, and them no want to emulate, but them teeth him little grace, and them try to run away, and them see them a tears, and some boy them mama lace, and them grace, and see them. Hey. You see me? You know what Kartel I say? The amount of song, that is a bad song, you know. Could I just remake that in a song, you know? See me, Gaza the way, and you know say we no play, and a boy eliminate, and him will violate, and him get him to space, and who know? You see me I say? Finger. Yo, me have to pull it up because I think him said the Kartel part. And I want to say him on a clone. Cause Kartel, that is something where Kartel would have said in his earlier career, you know. You see, when you see Kartel on your TV, that is Kartelly. When you see him on YouTube with the Kartel radio, that a radio Kartel. Cause you hear him, you not to see him on him YouTube when him there at prison. You get me? And now you start seeing him on YouTube. What do you YouTube? What do you youth? You are red eye. You are Bluetooth. Girl with your ear look alright. But the thought, you see when Kartel say, you are red eye, a alkaline him attack. But when him say a Bluetooth, a Donia him attack. Cause Donia did say, when you see some chicken head, say, and hungry can't buy chicken head, say, and hungry can't buy chicken head, say, chicken head, call him. Some girl take man every month of the year, climb on bus all front of the stair. She say, wine on the BS, she say she loves sneak and jump on the stair. Ask him cause he froze all large, the fair shoes make with cat skin. Want ask him for about all right, with them, don't zap spin, don't want ask for the Bluetooth, the blue coupe, the room light yellow teeth and red teeth, she love Bluetooth. That's why I don't have the Bluetooth from a long time. Cause him knows the girl them no love yellow teeth nor white teeth are just Bluetooth. Ready to give them it doggy style. Worse if she know, say your new Snoop. When you see some chicken head, say, hungry can't buy chicken head, say, hungry can't buy chicken head, say, chicken head, call them. You get me, I say? So don't have the Bluetooth. So when Kartel say, you are red eye, you are Bluetooth. Like him want to say, you have red eye, alkaline, and he must say, you have Bluetooth, I don't know. See? So Kartel, him tactics, him jobs them accurate. Like Kabaka pyramid. Accurate. Him say so, accurate. Yeah. You are red eye, you are Bluetooth. Girl with no ear look alright. But the tall ear girl, other than her, when you see me drive, and that's true, the man attack, woman ear of them glory. You see me? We love the tall ear. We love the short ear woman them too. Some of them it fit, like the one in a Will Smith, Nina Long, a such name, in a Will Smith, Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Yeah. The new episode with the new Vivian them. Not the first Vivian, not the first aunt of Will Smith. You see me? Yeah, the next episode, the newer episode them with the next aunt Vivian where they take over after they met the switch. You see me? And another one, the Nina Long starring. Yeah, look at this.
Welcome, my brother. Welcome to Cayman Islands. What's an amazing staff. Them serious, them people laugh. But them professionals, see them here.
Them serious, them live a laugh at the staff, you see me? And them get Chris Genius, that's something about God say, you know, be too serious. That bad, you know? You see me? Yeah, Kartel are the best. And look how Chris Genius say some things where go against the Gaza, but Kartel can't forward out and run the place. And I can't tell her run the place. Mosquito not start run this yet. Mosquito probably run the place for a little bit, but if not run no well, like Skeng run it, Skilly Bang run it, Kartel run it, all him friend them run it, like Tommy Lee run it. You get me? I say, Tommy Lee, yeah, man, Tommy Lee dust him, dust the mosquito. Watch you know.
One team and next one, when you pull up at the show later, Nelly will be there. Vybz will be there.
You see that? Nelly, I be a big artist. I never see Alka work amongst no big international artists. And you see when you book for the same show as an international act, them get for recognize you that way. That the networking for you better. You see when you up on some big show by yourself, like Alka do at Barclay by himself, without no international acts. It just selfish, and him not gonna reap not much for himself. You get me I say? You see, if it was a big show and few big acts like how VYBZKARTEL always perform with them big acts, Tommy Lee perform with 2 Chainz what there with Jermaine Dupri, Tommy Lee perform with Chanel Muir them. You see what I say? And them girl they highly respected in the thing. Alkaline now perform amongst the big acts them like the Gaza them and you see me? The real artists them where do it. Mosquito don't even have no show because him feel the promoter them. You know, say Mosquito no perform a best of the best. A Skeng. I'm telling you these things already. I'm have to tell you again. Say Skeng is not being pushed and backed like Mosquito. A Skeng work attack theme. That's why theme reward is from his organic work where him do what people naturally love. That is why I'm get booking so because I'm naturally is a great performer, great artist. You get me? The promoter them can swear upon him and you get me? I say them can put them trust in a Skeng and know say Skeng I go shell and queng them sure. You see me? But Mosquito him not give the promoter them assurance they was Skeng give them. You get what I say? Mosquito now give them assurance there. You see, say Mosquito is just a man him forward out on stage and him just perform, just a small perform. You get what I say? Just all the young artists them are better than Mosquito when it comes to performing. You get what I say? Mosquito music have this sound, but it's a lame sound. People them tired of it, you see me? But it still sound good one way. At that, you know, at that I kind of hold him up. See? So him need for forward with a great album right now, because Mosquito say him album ready. But we know say it not as great and as divine as VYBZKARTEL album were up to the time when he am God and Time. You see me? Mosquito album a croaking lizard it name. You see me? Him should shame. Because he's the croc king. So him say croaking a lizard definitely. You see me? Him album named Croc King. So a crocking lizard. Universe attack, man. You see me?
Watch your step. Remember if you Cayman lyric. And for you say Vybz, everything nice. For you say Nelly, you have to say Kartel. What is son domino?
From you say Nelly, you have to say Kartel. Bomboclad. No clone, no VYBZKARTEL clone couldn't do that. Because the clone wouldn't even remember say you have a Kartel for the television version of Kartel. Because when VYBZKARTEL just boss, him used to say Kartel. You see me? And you have a Kartel radio version of Kartel. You have so many versions of Kartel, you won't even understand. When him say, anytime you hear Kartel, say Kartel and classify himself being Kartel, that are the television version of Kartel. Get what I say? Yeah, the telly. Yes. The man bad. When him there prisoner Kartel. You see? Remember me tell you there's so many I don't even want to say denomination, but you know say Gazanation or the revelation. See? Yeah, man. Them say it's like a religion, but we are the sheep of his pastor. Yea, though we walk through the valley of the shadow of death, we as the sheep fear no evil. Thou art with me, thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Surely prepare at a table before we in the presence of mine enemy. Thou anointed my head with oil, and our cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow we all the days of our life, and we will dwell in the house of Gaza forever and ever. Oh, yeah, we don't say amen, we say a woman. See it? Hey, you see that? From the jet to the airstrip. How much people with the Gaza? Bumbleclad, 30 minutes of this. 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, give me 30 minutes. Alright, so I have few people here. I lead out. Alright, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Bumbleclad. Gaza si Kartel. I'm going to show you Kartel. I go to see Kartel there. Right, there's a Kartel there. See Kartel. You can't miss him, man. See him foot there. Well, let me try to spot him foot. See him foot there, dog. See him foot there. You know what? Him have that. Well, I can't say stand up, but him have the posture there. You get me? I say, yeah, Kartel. Bumbleclad. Ring off the celly. That being him and I talk about Kartel a ring off him celly when Kartel in the cell. See me? Being him and not travel with phone, so being him and disgusting hole, you know. Hole, see me? Kartel a ring off him celly. I got any tear, cause if I war, send it here. And we not see no boy, we be fear. Shut up here inside the hemisphere. Blood a leak, shut up, now watch your belly tear. Shut rip out sponge like lungs out a teddy bear. Rip out lungs like sponge out a teddy bear. Listen to the war medi here.